So I'm gonna be trying the Recherché amino acid cleansing mousse today. It's meant to remove makeup, but I'm not wearing makeup, but we're gonna try it anyway. So, oh, comes out in this foamy. Oh, it smells good. It smells botanical, if that makes sense. Ooh, it feels really soft. I kind of feel like if I shut my eyes and I didn't see the fact that my face is foamy, I kind of feel like I'm rubbing in moisturizer, which is awesome. It feels really hydrating. So I've just washed it off and patted my face dry, and my face feels like I've just gone in with one of those like really beady scrubs. Like it feels like I'm exfoliated, which is weird. Like my face feels soft. I don't know if you can tell. So here's a closer look. You can't tell, but when I go like that, my face doesn't feel tight, which is really good because my skin is on the drier side. I don't know what else to say. It's a cleanser.